today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on the look I'm wearing right now. It's a very bold, very glam look. Honestly, I just recreated the look I saw Michaela do not too long ago on TikTok because I fell in love with it. Mainly because I'm obsessed with Pat McGrath and she was doing like a full face of Pat McGrath, and I swear it was the prettiest makeup look I've ever seen her do. Oh my gosh, the skin, the eyes, it looked incredible. And I am just obsessed with Pat McGrath. I know it's a very pricey brand, but I swear she has some of the best formulas I've ever used. So I feel like that brand is worth the money. Maybe not everything, like you can use a regular schmegular bronzer, you know, but her eyeshadows, her lip products, gosh, I just love her. And I was so blown away by that look Michaela did that I bought a bunch of that shit on the Sephora sale so that I can recreate this look for you right now. My lashes are definitely a little wonky. This whole video was quite the journey, let me tell you. I almost had to start over. My lashes are like crusty. I don't love how they look. Honestly, I tried my best, okay? But yeah, if you want to see how to get this look and then maybe pop on like better lashes at the end, then keep on watching. Okay, I already have my eyebrows on, of course. A little Glossier brow flick. And now I'm gonna prime the skin with my Tower 28 Intensive Rescue Serum. I love using this before my foundation. I'll honestly use this under a bunch of different primers as well, and like SPF and stuff. For foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Skin Tint, and I'm mixing in a little bit of my Beauty Blender Bounce Skin Tint. I'm doing this because the Beauty Blender shade is a little bit too deep for me right now. For concealer, I'm going in with the Let's Face It concealer from Dose of Colors in the shade Light 1. I wanted a full coverage concealer because her look is very, very glam. Okay, I also used that concealer to prime my eyelids, and now we're gonna dive into this extraordinary palette. Oh, I can't get over that shimmer. And basically I'm gonna take the matte shade in the palette and put this in my crease on the outer corners, pretty much buff it all over there. That's what she did, but of course mine is not gonna be as good. Alright, things are looking so splotchy for me right here, and I think it's because of the concealer I put down, like as my primer. I don't think I blended it all the way because this looks rough. We're off to a great start. I'll try to fix that at the end. Okay, so for the shimmer, I'm gonna apply some glitter glue first because that's what she did to really make it pop. I'm gonna take the JD Glow Cosmetics Glitter Stuck Adhesive, and I'm just gonna put some on my lid. This one is super liquidy, not very tacky, but shadows do stick to it. And now I'm just gonna dip my finger and go right in. It really does make a huge difference when you lay down that glitter glue. Holy sh! Oh my god, that glitter is special. Okay, really quickly, I'm gonna pop on a very thin line, like a very thin black liner. I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty liner. Oof, I've got shaky coffee hands. God, I can't do liner to save my life. I'm just so shaky, beyond shaky. But she did a very thin wing, so that's what I did. She didn't even wing it out. I did a little bit. I just have to. And by the way, I buffed the shit out of my crease when we were off camera. I was like, try to smooth it out as best as I could. But honestly, I think it was like the concealer underneath that it like dried too fast. So when I put eyeshadow on top without setting the concealer, like it created a mess. But I think they look pretty decent. So I'm gonna set the face just like she did, but I'm gonna go in with blush first, just like she did. So she went in with the Pat McGrath Legendary Glow Color Balm. These are her new cream blushes. I don't know which shade she used specifically because she didn't say, but I think it was this one, which is Divine Rose. I definitely should have done my eyes first before my base. I'm a estúpida, but that's okay. I'm gonna take that straight onto the brush. This is an e.l.f. brush, and these are pretty sheer, so I'm just going right in. I think this is the one she used. Sorry, it is so bright and sunny today. I don't know what's happening, but this is a very dewy, glowy, rosy pink. If you're a dry biatch like me, you're gonna love this formula. Okay, and now I'm gonna set my entire face with powder. This is something I don't typically do, but I'm just following the routine. I'm gonna use the Dominique Cosmetics translucent powder with this big ass Wayne Goss brush. These Wayne Goss brushes, I know they've been around for years and years, but gosh, they are unmatched. The quality is insane. Okay, I thought that was gonna make my blush look weird, at least on my skin, like really dry and crusty because it is such a dewy cream blush, but it works. Wait a minute, I'm a dumbass. Wow, I'm all over the place today. I did not apply my bronzer yet. I was like, something's weird. So I'm gonna go in with the Pat McGrath bronzer. This one is in the shade Bronze Dawn. I'm not sure if this is the one she used, but we're going for it. I think she might be using one shade deeper than this bronzer because she was like tan in that video. Okay, I did clean up my bronzer a little bit with powder like she did, and now I'm gonna go over my blush with some powder blush. She did cream blush, then powder blush. I don't have the powder blush she used. It's this really stunning, like bright pink from Pat McGrath. I just purchased it on the website. I think I purchased the right one, I'm not sure, but I didn't have any time to film this video, so I'm just gonna pop on a blush from Essence because it looks kind of similar to this, and why not? These are amazing and they're like $5. So this is the shade Bold Heart, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of that right on top. That's so pretty, I love that combo. And I'm not much of a highlighter bitch these days, but I'm gonna take a little bit of Exhilarate from Rare Beauty and add a little glow. A lot of glow, because these are intense, boy. Yeah. Oh, I forget how intense and amazing those are. Okay, I'm gonna quickly jump back to the eyes, and I'm gonna buff that matte shade on my lower lash line. Love that so much. I'm gonna tightline a little bit with the Essence black eyeliner. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes, and I'm actually gonna go in with falsies. I know. Who am I? The lashes I'm gonna pop on are from thebrightlashes.com, and they're just these like half wispies, not half, but they're pretty short, but they're very, very wispy, and they get like longer in the ends. So let's pop them on. Okay, that took forever. I suck at putting on lashes. I don't know if these lashes were the right shape for this look, but I tried my best. Popped those on. I added some mascara to my top and bottom lashes as well. This is the Sala mascara. The brand is Sala, and it's their nostalgic 90s mascara, and this shit is so good. It's like waterproof, super intense. I have it on my top and bottom lashes, but now I'm going in with the lip combo, and I know that she powdered her lips a bit to take away some of the pigment, so I'm doing the same, even though this is foundation, not powder. Oh my god, I look dead. My lips are so dry. Holy shit. The lip liner she was using in that video was definitely the e.l.f. Fill Frontal lip liner. This was the Jennifer Coolidge collab. And And then she went in with the Pat McGrath lip gloss in Divine Rose. Okay guys, and then that completes this look. I actually really love how this look came out. I'm not crazy about the lashes. I think I should have gone with a different shape because they're a little bit too like long and wispy on the sides here, but besides that, I really love this look. It's definitely more bold and glam than I typically do, but this is such a pretty look and it's definitely very Pat McGrathy. I also should have done my face at the end because I have glitter on my cheeks. But okay guys, that's it. That completes this video. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I hope you recreate it and we're all just like recreating Michaela's look. But yeah, that completes this video guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already and I will see you in my next video. Bye!